Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video just showing you exactly the steps, how to do them to get completely set up, and this will take you to get set up with a free $50 which you can get going in the bot straight away basically. So to start, if you're watching this YouTube channel, I'll have the Discord link down in the details, so join that straight away. You're not signing up for anything by joining that. It's a very new Discord channel. Basically, I've set it up to have general chat in here. You got your results. So I've posted my results of my first 6 days with my budget in there. Any questions about the bot you can ask, and then announcements and news about the situation. And then I've just added general chat and passive income ideas if we find something else similar to this, or you have ideas about passive income you'd like to share with the group, or anything like that. Just slowly building up that community, and yeah, we've only just started it, so go for it. So we'll go straight to intro to channel, which I will change to our marketing actually. Basically, the pinned message has all the steps you need to get going with the bot. So first of all, we'll go to step 1, which is follow this link and create and register an INB account with them. So we'll go to that link, which will take you to this page. Let me just okay, maybe that wasn't correct. I'm not sure if you got to do the thing. So let's say you've created one. Now you're logging into it. Right, so this is the page you'll be on. And from here you can look at the news, you can look at all sorts of things. We won't worry about that for today, that's another video. Obviously, how to earn more money with this. There's, I think, I was told 6 or 7 ways how to earn money with this. We'll get to that. Right, so now we'll go to AR Marketing. So we use that to log in. It's the same thing. We come to this page, which is in Russian when you first get to it. It's a little bit, you think, oh, this is a bit sketchy, but no, just the obviously native language is Russian, even though for some strange reason this is legal business in Hong Kong, so I'm not sure why they use Russian. However, go up here and you can click to English, or if you're on your mobile phone, there'll be the 3 dots at the top, like vertically. You click that, and this menu will come up with the languages. Should sign in. Go to the blue. Make sure you go to that blue brain looking thing. Click on that, and then your accounts will come up here. Well, they might not. Sorry, they won't come up here. You click Add Account. And then what you'll do is you'll log into your account that you just created about 2 minutes ago with the INB server on that first link. You'll log in and your page will look similar to this. Won't look the same because it's all just going to be zeros here. Your bot's going to say off and it's all going to be zeros here also. What you're going to want to do is come down here. You can have a look at all these pages if you'd like, go through them all. To get the bot going, it obviously needs money. However, they do give you a $50 loan to start up the bot. It is a loan, you do have to pay it back before you withdraw. However, the $50 that you get, you will definitely turn over maybe anywhere from $70 to $100 US of sales with that, so you're probably going to be profiting $30 to $50 with that anyway. So completely free, and you do get the profit of whatever you take of that. Of course, they're not going to give everyone just a free $50 to take because that just doesn't make sense. If you have 1 million users, they're not going to be giving away $50 million, which makes it more legitimate as a company. So that just builds on the foundation that I believe it is a legitimate company. You can go top up. Before you top up with any of these methods, I really highly recommend that you use the $50 voucher, because I don't think it allows you, as you can see on mine, I actually forgot to use it at the start, and so I'm in this place with $50 less. So it will come up here, say gift certificate, that'll be the keyword. You click on that. In this box, I don't think it'll have an amount. What it will have is the code. You will then put in the 16-digit code. It's just letters and whatnot. I will put it in the Discord, and then you'll click pay. So that's basically that. Then if you wish to put more money in, you can use any of these methods. I like to use Bitcoin or Ethereum, just because in Australia we're actually not allowed to use Visa for this program. I'm not sure why, but yeah, so I just use crypto either way for entry. I'm not sure what the fee. Yeah, so I'm not sure why that is, but yeah, crypto is the easiest way. Once you have paid that $50 gift certificate or put money in, or both, well, you should either be doing both or just the gift certificate for now. You don't want to miss out on that. This will say $50 if you just use that. This will still say off, and these will all be zero. After about 48 hours, the bot will recognize and use that $50. So that $50 will no longer be here. It will say zero again. It will come over here, and this will say $50, the advertising budget. Within the next sort of 24 hours, you start getting your sales. You can have a look at your sales down in the sales column, which I've shown you in other videos. And then you'll start seeing your cash back, and that's basically how you set it up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Any questions, please just join the Discord and ask away. Cheers.